Today I'm going to be putting you guys onto this quick beauty maintenance routine, including hair, nails, lashes, as well as skin. So if you're interested, then stay right on this video. Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be doing a very quick beauty maintenance routine. Nothing too serious, nothing too deep. Honestly, I just needed to get my hair in a wig because I feel like I have just been over manipulating my hair to create content. We recently hit 50k on Instagram, and yeah, this is the result of 50k on Instagram, posting hair videos back to back. My front hair has literally been breaking, and I'm like, you know what, it's time for the hair to go back to wigs. Putting my hair in wigs was literally how I was able to grow my hair out again real quick. Yeah, we're going back to that because my edges cannot go. So basically I have this mirror that I got from you can get it from Amazon. I'm going to put this my storefront, Amazon storefront, so that you guys can check it out. But basically this is the best investment I think I could make for my hair journey, because it just helps make my life easy in terms of like parting my hair. This is the cleanest part I've made in my life for cornrows, honestly. So you can get this, and basically my hair was already pre-washed. I washed it that morning, blow dried it a little bit, put in my products, and this is just me prepping for the wig. Honestly, I'm just at a place where I need my hair under a wig because I don't want my edges to go. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you'd know how consistent I've been. You can see from these clips my scalp is tired. Like, it's painful to hold my hair now, and I'm like, yeah, it's time to wrap it up. Okay, so this is the wig that I'm gonna be using for the next couple of weeks, and honestly, just ignore the lace, we're gonna fix that later. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna be doing is to basically just like trim my brows. I like to use a razor and just get off the excess and clean it out. So I start with like the top, get into the bottom as well. And basically what I do is just follow the natural outline of my brows. I brush it upwards, as you can see here, and then I take off the excess hair. You need a tiny mirror that you can see clearly, and you need sharp razors, so clean new razors so that you can get it off in one swipe, and be very careful not to cut yourself. Okay, then I brush it downwards as well, and then basically just use the razor to get off the excess that comes out once you brush it. So when you now brush your brows, generally it just follows like the natural shape of your brows and it looks full, and that's basically how I curve my brows. Okay, so let's get into skincare. Now, I've been using CeraVe for a very long time, but recently I just switched from the foaming cleanser to this one, which is the cream to foam cleanser, and I've been loving it so far. This is just me cleansing my face basically after like touching my brows and everything, and then I always air dry. I don't use anything on my face to dry my face. Now, I recently tried the Ole Henriksen glow sets. Basically it's like a brightening set with vitamin C, and it's not a recommendation. I'm just trying it out for myself, and I haven't used it long enough, but I'm just putting it in this video, right, because it's currently like in my skincare routine. So I really wanted a brightening set, something that has vitamin C, and I decided to go for this brand. So I'm testing it out and I'll give you guys like a review. So basically I just go in with the vitamin C serum, and then I go in with this moisturizer, which is like a peptide boosting like moisturizer, which I feel is good. I love how it feels on my skin. It's very smooth and very soft and very silky, and I love it so far. But then this is like the sunscreen that I use. This one is tinted, so it has like a little brown tint to it. It's black girl friendly, so it doesn't leave any white cast on your skin, doesn't make me sweat as well, and I absolutely love it, and it's moisturizing as well. Next, we go in with some lip gloss. You can never skip lip gloss, moisturize your lips, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it about skincare. Okay, my loves, next we're going into lashes. Now, you guys probably know, or you don't know, but I've never done like cluster lashes before, and this was like the first time I was trying it. So this is from Tati Lashes here in the UK. It comes with the applicator as well as the glue, so you have two glues here, and basically this was the first time I was doing this thing, guys. I was scared, but it turned out okay. So I just applied like the bonding glue, used the applicator to pick up the lashes, and then just like literally just attached it to my lashes. That's pretty much it. It's quick quick and easy, and they've made it so easy just so that you can do it by yourself at home and everything instead of going to like a lash tech. But honestly, this is what it was looking like. It was very quick, very easy to do, and you just clamp everything together once you are done. And I worked in sections as well just so that it would dry down right in time for me to put the lashes on, like the glue, if that makes sense. And so I just clamped that down, and that's basically it. Other part of the glue is the sealing part, which you just use to like seal everything in. So basically I just applied that to the lashes, and that was it. We were done. I just gave my face a whole like uplift, if that makes sense, and I absolutely loved it. Now, you know how people do like facials and they like shape their skin? Yeah, it can never be me. This is all that I do to take off hair that is not supposed to be on my skin. That's literally it. I just use tweezers and then I pluck it out, because honestly, you're not gonna pay me enough money to shape my whole face, because I just feel like I'll be the first one that would grow mustache when I do that. So I'm not doing it, okay? And that's pretty much it about my skin. Okay, so let's get into the nails. This is like my favorite part. I recently got this nail set. Honestly, it's so good. It's the best press-ons that I've used. It's quick, it lasts, and the nails are strong, so it doesn't bend. It's literally like having acrylic sets. Honestly, it's so durable. Basically, I'm just prepping my nails. I filed it down, used this tiny brush to like brush off the nail whatever and this is what it looks like. It's also like black girl friendly, because the tone of the brown matches the tone of our skin, if that makes sense. So it doesn't look very much plastic or artificial. This is the glue that I use. The set that I got for my nails comes with its like own gel glue, but I just prefer this one because this is the one I've been using and it works for me. So I haven't really tried the new gel that came in this box. Okay, and so basically it's pretty much easy. You need to file your nail down just so that you can create like some gaps in your nail for the glue to attach to, if that makes sense. So once you file that down, dust off the excess that comes off, apply your glue, and then just stick it on. Literally just stick it on. And then I'm just trying to like take off the excess that I have from how it was packaged, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So now this particular set gives you like two different gel coatings. So like the first one, the builder gel, and then the top coat. Okay, and then it also comes with like a tiny UV lamp which you can use to like cure the nails and everything. Now this is the first time that I'm using UV lights at home and you know, with everything on TikTok, I was like, you know, I'm gonna use my sunscreen as well to just protect my fingers and everything. But usually what I do is just use like a regular top coat that is not a gel, and just to give it like a glossy feel, and then just wait for it to dry down naturally. But here, because we have this new set, I'm like, let me just try and, you know, like just give you guys the full look of everything. But if you're not very comfortable using UV or like LED lights, then feel free to just use like a regular top transparent clear nail polish, just to give you that glossy feel. And just to make sure it lasts longer as well. So basically I put the first coat, the second one, and basically just cure it each time. This is the gel that I was talking about. Again, you can use that one. And this is the manicure set that I got it from Primark. Okay, and yeah, so I also did my legs, but you would not be seeing my legs on camera. No, this is the set that I used, and everything would be linked in my Amazon storefront. Guys, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share what I use and just basically how I get myself in order for the coming week, and just basically just look put together as a woman. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you have any questions, I will be in the comment section to answer. So let me know down in the comment section. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.